Hey guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures, and this is Tuesday of the wedding week. We're getting married on Friday, and we've come here to meet Lisa's sister Cynthia and brother-in-law George. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
All right, so first I can give a little update. Just wanted to let you know that I've started therapy and it's going well. Started learning how to walk with a cane. I'm not doing it on my own yet, but I am learning how to do it. Strengthening my leg, and I am walking on my own. And my goal is to be walking without my walker up the aisle. And so I will hold on to my brother-in-law George's arm. Anyway, that's it from me. I'm doing pretty well, and we'll catch you later.
Okay guys, look at this. David and Bertie. They got in last night. It was too dark to film, but we just had lunch here at this breakfast lunch place with
First watch
with Taylor and Peyton, and they just took off. But anyway, today is Thursday. Tomorrow's the wedding. Okay. So yeah, we just dropped David and Bertie off, well, a couple hours ago, but at their hotel. They're going to be with my youngest son, Jacob, his wife, Allie, and Jacob's going to be the officiant at the wedding tomorrow. Here we are, wedding week. This is Thursday. Tomorrow is the wedding. But I had to show you guys this sunset. Oh my gosh. Yeah. My granddaughter Bertie is gonna be a flower girl, along with Lisa's granddaughter Peyton. Gonna be a flower girl. Looking forward to tomorrow and getting her done. So loving having family here. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. Okay, we're at Taylor's house. She's gonna help Lisa with her makeup and help her getting dressed. All right, so you guys, you might remember my brother Chris and my brother Matt. Now we're headed up to grab some lunch in Cave Creek before we head to the chapel.
If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be.
Dearly beloved, we meet here today to witness a sacred ceremony, the union of Jay and Lisa. We come together to celebrate the love and devotion shared by these two children of God that stand before us. We're especially blessed to be joined today by the family and the friends of the bride and the groom. Corinthians, if I have the gift of prophecy and can fathom all mysteries and all knowledge, and if I have faith that can move mountains, but do not have love, I'm nothing. Over the course of their relationship, Jay and Lisa have developed a strong bond based on shared values and mutual respect. With a solid foundation from which to grow, they have made the decision to take the oath of marriage and spend the rest of their lives together. Let us embrace the joy and love on display here today, and may we treasure these memories as Jay and Lisa, under the eyes of God, get set to begin their new life together. Marriage is treasured and deserving of deep reverence. Today we observe the union of Jay and Lisa in holy matrimony, a commitment they have chosen to undertake with all the sincerity that it warrants. Married life is full of surprises, adventures, and memory making, all made possible by the enduring power of love. When Jay and Lisa finalize this union, they will begin a new life of partnership, one defined by shared hopes, dreams, and successes, like full-time RVing. Jay and Lisa, as you have learned to live as one, you will encounter many challenges that can help you grow. So spend time doing the things that make life precious. Cooperate with each other. Always make time to laugh together. Never lose appreciation for the love that you share. Remember to adhere to the vows that you will make today, and always make your relationship a priority, and continue to nurture one another. Through a commitment to love and with the power of faith, together you'll be able to navigate the obstacles that come your way. Under the eyes of God, I solemnly bear witness to these matrimonial proceedings. I'll now finalize the sacred covenant you shall both enter into this day. As you form this union, you're choosing to take the vow that is sacred today as it was your ancestors. So Dad, repeat after me. I, Jay, take you, Lisa,
I, Jay, take you, Lisa,
to be my lawfully wedded wife.
to be my lawfully wedded wife.
I promise to keep you by my side through good times and bad,
I promise to keep you by my side through good times and bad,
for richer or poor,
for richer or poor,
in sickness and health.
sickness, health.
I vow to stay true to you, honor you,
I vow to stay true to you and honor you,
and love you for the rest of my days until death do us apart.
and love you for the rest of my days until death do us part.
Lisa, repeat after me. I, Lisa, take you, Jay,
I, Lisa, take you
to be my lawfully wedded husband,
to be my lawful wedded husband.
I promise to keep you by my side through good times and bad.
Promise to keep you.
It's okay.
It's okay. Take your time.
You guys got it.
I promise to keep you by my side through good times and bad,
I promise to keep you by my side. Good times and bad.
for richer or poor,
For richer or poor.
in sickness and in health.
Sickness and health.
I vow to stay true to you and honor you,
I vow to stay true to you and honor you.
and love you for the rest of my days until death do us apart.
And love you for the rest of my days.
Till death do us
To
apart.
the
Jay and Lisa, please join. You've already joined hands. Under the eyes of God, Jay, do you take Lisa to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do, I absolutely do.
Okay. Do you promise to support her completely and love her unconditionally?
I do.
So, okay. So as long as you both shall live.
I do.
Now, Lisa, Under the eyes of God, do you take Jay to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Do you promise to support him completely and love him unconditionally so long as you both shall live?
I do.
This way then.
Just wait. It's now time to exchange the ring. Alright. You guys just keep going. I'll keep talking. The circle formed by each ring is a symbol of love and eternal commitment to each other. May these rings remind you always of the sacred promises that you've made to each other today in the company of your family and friends. Dad, you'll go first. Go ahead and put the ring on her. Repeat after me. I, Jay, give you Lisa. I, Jay, give you Lisa.
I, Jay, give you Lisa.
The ring as a symbol of my love and commitment.
The ring is a symbol of my love and commitment.
And the eternal vows we have made today to each other.
And the eternal vows that we made today toward each other.
Lisa, repeat after me. I, Lisa, give you Jay.
I, Lisa, give you Jay.
This ring is a symbol of my love
This ring is a symbol of my love
and commitment and eternal vows we have made together.
and commitment and eternal vows we've made together.
By the power vested in me and by the state of Arizona and the Universal Life Church, I pronounce you, Jay and Lisa, as husband and wife. You may now kiss. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great honor to officially present you Mr. and Mrs. Hanson.
I was supposed to be in front of them.
A married couple. How's it feel?
Feels good.
I'll stand beside you, Sean.
Hi, are you being shy? I haven't checked my email. Our turn. I will get that.
Probably just take a picture of the sky the whole time. I don't know. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. And we'll see if there's something.
Yeah, let me see your foot. We'll get you dressed.
Too much fun.
Everybody knows this guy from the baseball game.
All right, just had lunch here. These guys are getting ready to fly out. Get their, whoop, wrong way. Get their bags. Got David and Birdie inside. Wedding week has come to an end. Big success. Thanks for coming down, you guys.
All right.
Love you guys. Yep.
Love you too. See you later.
And here's David and Birdie going back to the airport. Okay. Thanks so much, you guys. We appreciate and love each and every one of you. Please share this video with like-minded people. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when we post. I know this is a couple days late, but it is what it is. We love you. See you next week. Adventure.
And our next adventure.
Bye-bye.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
Say bye. We'll see you, Lisa. Get better.
All right, thank you. See you this summer. Bye, Birdie. Yep.
I just wanna hold you for forever.
take you there.